How dumb can you be? Pretty dumb, apparently. Some big mamma jammas down in these falls. There we go, fish on, trout. Well, everybody, it is the second day that I get to fish in a row. I can hardly believe it. I did have to work really hard this morning, but that's aside the point. We're about to head down here and catch a whole bunch of fish. I saw a whole bunch of trout yesterday, as you guys saw in my previous video. So today, hopefully we are about to catch some of them. Yesterday, they were really spooky, and that's probably not gonna be any different of a situation when I get down there today, but I'm gonna be using some different tactics. So let's get down there, catch them. Hope you guys all like that episode. If at any point in time you do, please scroll down below, hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Whew, let's get right to the fishing. Oh my gosh, would you look at them all? You guys can't see them. There's hundreds of trout right in front of me. See if we can get some more July trout. I'm gonna have to try to cast around them. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. Secret spot. Hopefully we can catch some trout, not just a bunch of sunnies. Ay, ay, ay. Man, this is a hog of a red breast. Absolutely no other fish had a chance of getting that. Bluegill, friggin' big gilly. It's a pretty fish. Oh boy, tough day of fishing. Trying to roll the trout out of here somewhere. Fish on. Smallie. Logo. Oh, there we go. Another smallie. Smallmouth bass. Pretty one. Oh boy, freaking bluegill all the way down here. Redbreast. I don't think we're gonna catch any trout here today. Man, this guy hammered it. Another redbreast. Give him a little time to look at it. See it, dude. I found some type of trail. Well, even though we aren't catching a whole bunch of trout like I kind of thought we were going to, still having a pretty good day out here. Pretty good adventure. Haven't been to this side of the creek this far up in quite some time, or this far down. Unfortunately, when I was out fishing yesterday, my GoPro died before I got to show you guys the last 2 trout that I caught. So the last video, there was only 2 trout, but I caught 4 altogether. Oh man, this kinda stinks. So we are heading back now. We're gonna hit some of the juicy holes on the way back. We're probably gonna catch a whole bunch more of small panfish and smallmouth bass. Oh well, it is what it is. At least we got to go fishing today, which is awesome. Let's get back to the fishing. Oh, big old redbreast. I think we have something on here. What the heck? Smallie. Oh boy, striking out. Ay, ay, ay. Smallie. Probably the same one I caught earlier. Looks like the rock bass has made its first appearance for the day. See ya. Ooh, what do we got here? Another rock bass. See you, dude. Another guest appearance from Mr. Rock Bass here. Annihilated it. Green sunfish. Another pretty little fish. And another rock bass. These guys are marking it. How dumb can you be? Pretty dumb, apparently. Another rock bass. Wouldn't this be absolutely stupid if it was the same one? Not the brightest fish in the creek, that's for sure. Oh, and I thought they were on to me, but this big dummy came out of nowhere. Red breast sunfish. Now, there should be some big mamma jammas down in these falls. Just got to get all the way down to them to catch them. Rebel floater. I did a floater this morning. Oh, there we go. Ah, I dropped it. Oh, there we go. There's that smallie. Oh, he came off. Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. Gigantic. Oh, man. Some big fish down here. 3-inch Berkeley trout worm. Big old split shot on there. I'm either going to catch a fish or I'm going to get a giant snag. Both are just as likely. And giant snag. First cast. Might need another split shot. It's quite the hole. Oh. Fish on. Yeah, man. Rock bass. Oh, giant freaking rainbow down here. There we go, fish on. Trout, rainbow. How the hell am I gonna land them? Digging. I'm over here in the water. Finally, thank you for making it all worth it, Mr. Rainbow Trout. That is a beautiful one. Trying to get you back, homie. Alrighty, hook is out. Tried to unhook him in the water, so hopefully he's good. Oh, yeah, he's taking right off. Hopefully he will find his way back down to those rapids. About the only place he's going to be able to survive. It is pretty hot here in Pennsylvania. And he dinged up our worm pretty good too. See if we can get another fish out of it. At least we got one trout today. I'm going to keep fishing till the GoPro dies. And there we go. Oh, sorry, dude. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, man, that was a painful release for that, dude. I did not mean to do that. Let's try the last piece of a yellow Berkeley trout worm. Man, is it looking a little dismal out here, or is it just me? Feels good to be out here fishing. Well, everybody, I'm making my way back now. Another fantastic day of fishing out here. Didn't catch a whole bunch of trout, even though that was the goal, but I still caught a whole bunch of native species, which is always a whole bunch of fun. Anyway, I hope you guys all liked the content. If at any point in time you did, please scroll down below, hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe if you haven't already.